Okay. So the last problem on Patrick's method is 4 variable with don't care condition. Y1 is a decimal function of 4 variables A, B, C, D. It is high for 7, 12, 14, 15 and don't care for 1, 3, 5, 8, 10, 11, 30. Always remember, if a question is given for simplification, either QM method or the extended method, that is a table method, or the one more step included is Patrick method, we have to rewrite the equation assuming DC set inside summation set. DC set inside summation set. So what is the new definition of the function? Assumption. It will be 7, then 12, then 14, then 15, then 1, 3, 5, 8, 10, 11, 30. Simplify like this only changes will take place in Patrick's last step of simplification. Now, rewrite them using QM method, increasing order. So, step 1. So, what is the smallest number? 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, we don't have 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. These all are the numbers given in the problem in the two different sets called summation and DC. But now we are writing together in increasing order. Write the magnitudes A, B, C, D as it is. So what is how to represent 1? 0001. 3 is represented as 011. 0011. 5 means 0101. 7 means 0111. 8 means 1000, 10 means 1010, 11 means 1011, 12 means 1100, 13 means 1101, 14 means 1110, 15 means all are ones. Just for verification, let's count number of variables given here and there so that we will not do any mistake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All symbols are correct. Just verification. Okay, now let's continue with the comparison. Okay, here I will write A, B, C, D, 0, 1, 2, 4 and 8. Now start grouping them into L0, L1, L2, L3, L4. So we don't have L0 here because 0 is not. So do we have L1? Let's check. 1 is 1. So how to write 1 is like this. So 3 no, 5 no, 7 no, 8 has one number of 1, hence I will write 1 0. So it is 8. Put a pass mark for 8. Rest all numbers does not have one number of 1. So that closes for L1. So now write for L2. L2. So L2 starts from 3, 0, 0, 1, 1, that is 3, put a pass mark, 5, 0, 1, 0, 1, put a pass mark for 5, 7, no, 10, yes, 1, 0, 1, 0, which we write it as 10, put a pass mark, 12 also, yes, 1, 1, 0, which is 12, 13, 14, 15 are not belongs to L2. So let's write L3. Smallest number is 7, 0, 1, 1. So which is a 7, pass mark for that. 11, yes, 1, 0, 1, 1, that is 11. So next 13, 1, 1, 0, 1, that is 13. So 14, 1, 0. So close for L3 and last L4 means all are ones, which is called 15. Okay, now this is called grouping. So let's write just step 3, which is a comparison. Okay, so here I write A, B, C and D. Okay, so the next one is 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, 10, 1, 12, 8, 3, 8, 5, 8 and 8. These are the possibilities. Let's check 1, 3. 0, 0, hyphen 1. 0, 0, hyphen 1. That is 1, 3. Put a pass mark for 1 as well as 3. Next, 1 and 5. 0 hyphen 0 1, 0 hyphen 0 1, that is 1 comma 5. 1 is already selected, 5 is selected. Now 110, let's check. A different, B same, C different. So we got 2 different, we will negate. 112, A, B, 2 difference, so 112 will not participate. So that is with respect to 1. Let's check with respect to 8. 8 3, not possible. 8 5, that is also not possible. 8 10, yes. 1 0 hyphen 0. 1 0 hyphen 0, that is 8 comma 10. 8 pass mark, 10 also pass mark. So next one, 8 12, 1 hyphen 0 0. 1 hyphen 0 0, that is 8 comma 12. 8 pass mark, 12 is selected now. So that closes between set 1 and set 2. That means L1 and L2. Now we are checking with L2 and L3. See, L2 and L3 has lot of symbols. So be very careful with it because we have 4 symbols here, 4 symbols here. So that means almost 16 possibilities. 16 possibilities. Not sure all 16 will get entered here, but be very careful with this. 3 with the 7, 0 hyphen double 1. So that is what? 3 comma 7, 3 pass mark, 7 pass mark. 311 hyphen 0 double 1. Hyphen 0 double 1, that is 3 comma 11, 3 pass mark, 11 pass mark. 313 not possible because this 2 itself is changed. Same reason for 314. That finishes with respect to 3. Next 5 7, 0 1 hyphen 1, 0 1 hyphen 1, that is 5 comma 7. Both are already pass mark. Next 5 11, A B are different, so we will cancel. So 513 hyphen 1 0 1 hyphen 1 0 1, that is 5 comma 13, 5 pass mark 13. Now selected. 514 A different, B same, C different, D different. So 514 is not possible. That finishes with respect to 5. 10 7. So 0 is a is a different, B is different. So cancel. 10 11. Hope it is possible. 101 hyphen 101 hyphen, that is 10 comma 11. 10 pass mark, 11 pass mark. 10 13 1 A same, B different, C different. So negate. So 10 14 A same, B different, C same, D same. 1 hyphen 10 1 hyphen 10, that is 10 comma 14. 14 also pass mark now. So that is with respect to 10. Now with respect to 12. 12 7, I hope it is not possible because A different, C D are different. Total 3 differences. 12 11, that is also not possible because A same, B C D 3 differences. 12 13, 1 1 0 hyphen 1 1 0 hyphen, that is 12 comma 13. 12 13 both are already pass mark. Next 12 14 1 1 hyphen 0 1 1 hyphen 0, that is 12 comma 14. So that finishes between L2 and L3. So we left with last L3 and L4. So we can directly write hyphen triple 1 1 hyphen double 1 double 1 hyphen 1 triple 1 hyphen. So we here all are ones, here only one bit is different. So I will write directly hyphen triple 1, that I call it as 7 and 15 pass mark. 11 15 is 1 hyphen double 1, that is 11 comma 15. 13 means double 1 hyphen 1, that is 13 comma 15, and triple 1 hyphen is 14 comma 15. So next, coming for the next step, yes 4. I think this problem will be for minimum 12 to 14 marks. Okay, it will be little lengthy. Okay, next, coming for the next step 1, 2 and 3. So let's go for comparisons. So here is a C position hyphen. So check for this. Hope it is possible. 0 hyphen 1. Here I write 0 hyphen 1. What is group? 1 3 5 7. 1 3 pass mark, 5 7 pass mark. So again continue C position. Here is possibility, but AB are different, so negate. Next 1 5. Only I1 is present in B. Continue in the next set. See, here is one possibility. 0 I1 new I1, because it is a old I1, new I1 1. So 0 I1 I1 1, which we have already wrote. 1 5 3 7 pass mark. So but continue, because B position is I1. So check here. So we have possibility here. Let's check. A old I1 which is matching, new I1, again new I1. We wrote 3 I1s, so that is not possible. So no need to check further, because no other symbol has B position as I1. Okay. Next, again here we have C position. Even though it is pass marked, please check once again. Okay. So now you see these first two are not possible. Third is possible because C is I1, old I1. So new I1, new I1. See, 2 bits are I1. So totally it will become 3 I1s, which is not correct at this stage. Maybe it is correct in next stage, but right now it is, we expect maximum 2 I1s to create. One is old and one is new I1. Okay. So now it is, I think we have checked for B. Now it is for C. Here we have not got. So please continue. Last term is possible. Old I1 matching. So 1 new I1, I1 old 0. So 1 double I1 0. 1 double I1 0. What is the group now? 8 10 12 14. So 8 10 12 14. 8 10 pass mark. 12 14 pass mark. 8 10 12 14. 8 10 12 14. So now check for one more. 8 12. Where it is present? B. Okay. So here one possibility. But old I1 is matching, but new I1s are, we expect only one to get generated, but more than one are getting generated. So 8 12 3 7 are not possible. So if we continue, here is one more possibility. 1 I1 I1 0, which we have already wrote. Hence it is 8 12 10 14 10 14. So that finishes first set. Okay. So 1 3 5 7 8 10 12 14 are the possibilities from first two sets. Next, here is maximum possibilities, because we have definitely only one bit generation. See now, let's continue. See, here is a B position. So here only one is present in a B position, this one. So it will generate old I1 already matching, new I1 A position, C and D 1. So I1 double 1, I1 double 1. What is that? 3 7 11 15. 3 7 11 15. 3 7 pass mark, 11 15 pass mark. No other has B position. So hence 3 7 comparison is finished. Now 3 11 comparison is in A. So I1 double 1, because you see old I1, this is a new I1 generated. Rest all are same. Hence it is I1 double 1, which you have already wrote. So 3 11 7 15, simply pass mark. Don't write once again. Next, this is in a C position. Third term here, I1 1 I1 1. This I1 C position I1 is old, A position I1 is newly generated. I1 1 I1 1 I1 1 I1 1. What is that? 5 7 13 15. 5 7 13 15. 5 7 pass mark, 13 15 pass mark. Okay. So 5 7 is done. Next 5 13 A position. So what I will get? I1 1 I1 1 I1 1 I1 new I1 is in C, old I1 is in A. So I1 1 I1 1, that is group already we wrote. I1 1 I1 1. 5 13 7 15. 5 13 7 15. That is also done. Now D position. I1 is in B. So take the last. 1 I1 1 I1 1 I1 1 I1. So it is 10 11 14 15. 10 11 14 15. So 10 11 pass mark, 14 15 pass mark. So now 10 14. See, check again. B position. B position. So we left here with this one. Okay, 1 hyphen 1 hyphen. Just now we wrote 1 hyphen 1 hyphen. 10 14 and 11 15. 10 14 11 15. So 10 14 is already pass mark. Next, check for this last. Don't forget this because it is not a pass marker. Okay, last D position. So what is the possibility? 1 1 hyphen hyphen. See, can you see? D position has old hyphen, C position newly generated hyphen. So what we will get? Double 1, double hyphen. So what is the group now? 12, 13, 14, 15. 12, 13, 14, 15. Pass mark for 12, 13, pass mark for 14, 15. Okay, 12, 13, 14. Also we left with one more possibility. Please check. Don't forget. So where is the hyphen present? C. So here is the C. What we will get? 1, 1, hyphen, hyphen. C is old hyphen, D is a new hyphen. C is old hyphen, D is new hyphen. So 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, now also we should not stop. We have to expect. Yes, 5 exist. Expect. Okay, A, B, C and D. See, hyphens must match. We have only two sets. Where are the hyphen? B, C. BC. Here, no BC, no BC has hyphens. So first element not possible to compare. Again, first set, second element again has BC as a hyphen. So that is also not possible. Hence S5 will not exist. If S5 will not exist, now how to solve using table method now? Let's continue with table method. Okay, for the table method, I have to write here. Please concentrate how to write a table for this. It is a very important. Okay, I will try to create here only so that it will be helpful for us. Saves our time. So these are the rows. Okay, now. What we used to do when it is a QM method, we used to write all. That means this table. Okay. But for Petric, it will be good if you write the columns as given problem. What do you mean by given problem? Separate summation set, separate DC set. It will be very helpful. Okay. Please remember this. It is a very important. If you write included set, it will be very lengthy and we will take a lot of time for simplification. I think once I write Petric simplification, you may come to know. Okay, so first I will write table like this, only summation set, and here I will write only DC, and I will segregate them through some solid line. Okay, so what is the summation? 7, then 12, then 14, then 15. Okay, here. Right. Next, here I will write DC set. What are the DC set? 1, 3, 5, 8, 10, 11, 13. 10, 11, 13. Okay, now it is the time to put X symbol in a row. X symbol in a row or columns. Okay, so every row definitely consisting of how many star? Can you predict? Every row will consisting of 4. See, like this. But every column not yet sure. Okay. See now, 1, 3, 5, 7. 1, 3, 5. These all are DC. Only summation is 7. These all are DC and only 7 is summation symbol. 8, 10. So here is 8, 10, 12, 14. 8, 10, 12, 14. Next, 3, 7, 3, 7, 11, 15. 3, 7, 11, 15. Next, 5, 7, 13, 15. Here is 5. Here is 7. 13 is last. 15 is back. Okay. Next, 10, 11, 14, 15. 10, 11, 14, 15. Next, 12, 13, 12, 13, 14, 15. See now, this is how the filling. Okay. So now, what is the rule? Summation into summation into summation into summation. See now, if I would have wrote this part included in the sense like earlier QM method, I would have got the longest summation expression. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 summations with multiplication. So that would be very lengthy for calculation. Now what I am doing is, I am considering only summations. So how many summations I will get? 1, 2, 3, 4. So now, let me give the names a little different for a simplification purpose. I will give capital A, B, C, D, E and F. Okay, instead of P1, P2, P3, P4, I have given this for simplification purpose. So now, how many apply summation here, summation and summation. So what is the term here? A plus C plus D. A plus C plus D dot. Okay. So the first is A plus C plus D. The 12th column is B plus F. So it is B plus F. Okay. 14th column B plus E plus F. B plus E plus F. And last 15th column C plus D plus E plus F. C plus D plus E plus F. Okay. So now, if you would have wrote here, we would have got longest term for simplification, which will take us very length for simplification. To avoid that, I am writing this. Okay. Let's go for Patrick's simplification. Okay. So, what is the expression now? A plus C plus D into bracket B plus F into bracket B plus E plus F into bracket C plus D plus E plus F. C plus D plus E plus F. Now it is a term of expansion. See here. First I will expand only first two terms. AB, AF, CB, CF, DB, DF. You understood? AB, AF, then CB, CF, then DB, DF. Okay, please write. If you have got CB like this, make a practice of writing it proper. B and C, so that you will get a very easy simplification when we will go for next step. Okay, so A into B, next plus A into F, plus that finishes with respect to A, C into B, which I write it as BC, C into F, plus D into B, I write it as B into D, because DB is equal to DB. Okay, next D into F, D into F. This is the expansion of first two. Okay, next I will write here as B plus E plus F into bracket C plus D plus E plus F this expansion. Hope you will get that time a solution. AB into B. Okay. So AB into B, I write AB into B as AB only, plus this AB into E, which will become ABE plus AB into F, ABF. Okay, next AF into B, AF into B. Again it becomes A into B into F. So I will not write once again. Next, AF into E, which I write as AEF. Okay. Next, AF into F will become AF. AF into F will become AF. Next, BC into B, which will become BC. BC into E will be written as BCE. BC into F should be written as BCF. Okay, that's it with respect to BC. Please continue. CF into B, which we used to write it as BCF. Have you wrote? Not yet. So I have, okay, we have wrote now. So I will cancel this because just now we have wrote CF into E, CEF, CEF. Next, CF into F will be CF plus BD into B. So which will be BD, BD into B. BD into E will be BDE plus BD into F, BDF. Okay. So last, DF into B, which is BDF. Just now I wrote DF into E, DEF, DEF plus DF into F will be DF. This expression should be multiplied with last term called as C plus D plus E plus F. Okay. So don't expand now. Try to simplify. See now. AB, first three terms. How the simplification? I will write separately and explain. AB plus ABE plus ABF. So what is common? AB is a common. 1 plus E plus F, which will give us 1. Hence, what is the definite result? AB into 1, which we write as AB. Okay. So similarly, what is the definite result from this is AB plus. I am writing in the bracket. Okay. So now, please find out AF here. Okay. So hope from this what we can do? AF common plus E. Hence what we will get? 1 plus E in the bracket. Here you see AF plus AF. What is common? AF. E plus 1, which will give us 1. Hence we can get AF as a letter. AF. Is it clear? Next. See here. This is little advantage. 3 terms. BC plus BCE plus BCF. BC plus BCE plus BCF. What is the definite? BC common 1 plus E plus F, which will give us 1. Hence it is BC. Okay. So now next, CE and CF. Between them, what is possible? CEF and CF. Can I directly write it as CF? Yes. See, I will write as a dashed line. Okay. So this is little more advantage. You can see here 3 terms, which I write like this. What is definite result? BD plus BD. BD plus BDE plus BDF. We take BD common in the bracket 1 plus E plus F, which will give us 1. BD into 1 is B. So last, DEF plus BF. So what is the result? BF. See, this all simplified into small term like this. Into the bracket, don't forget C plus D plus E plus F. Okay. So here section. Now, okay, let's go for expansion. Letter will be A B into C. What will we get? A B C, A C F. Okay, next. A B E. Sorry, I think I have written in a different way. First one, A B into C, A B into C, A B into D, A B into D, A B into E, A B into E, A B into F, plus AF into C. How to write? ACF, AF into D, ADF, AF into E, AEF, plus AF into F, AF. Okay? Now, plus BC into C, BC, BC into D, BCD, BC into E, BCE, BC into F, BCF. Okay? CF into C, 1 time CF, CF into D, CDF, CF into E, CEF, CF into F, again CF, we have already wrote. Okay, next. BD into C, BCD, hope I have wrote. BD into D, BD, not yet. Okay, here I will get BD. BD into E, BDE. Okay, so this I will get as BDE. BD into F, BDF. Okay, BDF. Next, DF into C, CDF. We have wrote DF into E. Sorry, DF into D, DF. I think we have wrote DF only. Okay, not yet. So I have written here DF into DS, DF, DF into E, DEF,